Healing your relationship after an affair. An affair can feel like an earthquake that shakes the very foundation of your marriage. The betrayal cuts deep, and the path to healing requires courage, patience, and compassion for both your partner and yourself. If you've decided to rebuild after infidelity, you are likely navigating a mix of emotions: hurt, anger, confusion, and maybe even glimmers of hope. Rebuilding trust is the most important step. Without it, intimacy, both emotional and physical, will feel distant or even impossible. You might notice that conversations feel strained or that you're both holding back. This is normal. Healing takes time. Start by focusing on honest communication. It's natural to want to know what happened, but asking for explicit details can sometimes cause more pain. Instead, try to understand why the affair happened. Gently ask questions like, "What was missing in our relationship?" Or "What can we do differently to meet each other's needs?" These questions can help both of you reflect on what went wrong and how to move forward. If you choose to give the relationship another chance, your partner must show through their actions, not just their words, that they are committed to change. This means being patient, transparent, and consistent. At the same time, healing cannot happen if the affair is constantly held over their head. Forgiveness is a process, and it's okay if it takes time. Some couples create strict rules after an affair, but these can sometimes feel like punishments. A healthier approach is to set clear, mutually agreed upon boundaries. This might include being open about communication, setting aside quality time for each other, or attending counseling together. The goal is to rebuild respect and safety, not to control each other. Physical intimacy may feel difficult at first. That's okay. Let emotional connection lead the way. When you feel safe, loved, and respected, physical closeness will often follow naturally. If you're struggling, consider seeking guidance from a couples therapist. There's no shame in asking for help. Above all, remember to be kind to yourself. Your feelings are valid, and your well-being matters. You are strong, and whether you choose to stay or leave, your happiness is worth protecting.